Welcome to Andy Bate Heating Solutions. With over 30 years of experience as a plumber, you can be sure of a truly professional service. We're fully gas safe registered and offer a whole range of comprehensive services, including boiler repairs and replacements, central heating work, the fitting of bathrooms and more. We work hard to provide a service which is always a cut above the rest, always happy to go that extra mile. We couple fantastic workmanship with real value for money. If you'd like to know more, then contact us today at Andy Bate Heating Solutions.